Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to technology, psychology, food, animals, sports, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Studies have found that 9 out of 10 people experience phantom phone vibrations. When London taxi drivers tried to protest against Uber, they drove more customers towards their competitor, as on the day of their strike, the Uber app was downloaded. An electrician was left with stars in his eyes after experiencing a 14,000 volt shock through his body. Hippos can sleep underwater using a reflex that allows them to bob up, take a breath, and sink back down without waking up. Mark Zuckerberg's net worth has reportedly fallen by $7 billion in the hours that Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp have been down. Texas Longhorn cow holds the world record for longest horn span. They measure 10 feet 7 inches. Michael Jackson once had an entire supermarket closed so he could shop like a normal person. Pinky fingers is most weak finger in a hand, but without a pinky finger you would lose 50% of your hand strength. Armadillo girdle lizard is one of the few lizards who give birth to young ones and feed on them, which is more common in lizards. In Australia lives a bird that deliberately spreads wildfires. Black kites or fire hawks spread fire by carrying burning sticks to new locations in their breaks. During the average lifetime, your heart will pump a grand total of 182 million liters of blood. You are aware of lightning in the sky. Sometimes it strikes on ground, but in some rare cases lightning can go upwards in space too. Astronauts call them blue jets. Not only do mosquitoes bite you and suck your blood, they also urinate on you before flying off. The Wendigo can mimic human voices, so its favorite pastime is luring people away from safety deep into forest. The world's youngest grandmother was only 17 years old. Gyanganj is a secret place in the Himalayas. More boys are born during times of war and stress, and no one knows why. World's fastest growing plant is the giant water lily, which grows almost a foot a day. Nail biting has been associated with a better functioning immune system because of exposure to germs on a small scale that your body can build antibodies to. This is a fire station in Italy. Looks like a superhero base. An ancient skeleton with some of the world's oldest gold found in Bulgaria. This is the hole in your skin after a needle puncture it, as seen from a scanning electron microscope. A black Nigerian couple gave birth to a miracle blonde white baby. This is last book written by Stephen Hawking, Brief Answers to Big Questions, in which he has written that there is no God and no one directs the universe. Jessica Harrison created pair of fake eyelashes out of fly legs. Japanese scientists successfully created an MRI machine that can record your dreams and reconstruct them for you to watch while you are awake. Laziness is just a common part of being a teenager and does not reflect bad behavior. Chinese man gulps 1.5 liter bottle of Coca-Cola in 10 minutes, dies of gas buildup in his body. According to pass-by catastrophe law, if the university burns down or is destroyed in an accident, all students immediately graduate with a bachelor's degree. Pakistani students plant over 50,000 trees in 40 seconds in order to set a new world record. There is only one person in the world with Syndrome X, which prevents normal aging. The Great Pyramid of Giza actually has 8 sides rather than 4. Oldest man-made shelter. It's made from bones of mammoth. Smallest country in the world, Vatican City, is where only 800 people live. Jeff Bezos offers NASA $2 billion discount for Moon lander contract. The pathologist who made Einstein's body autopsy stole his brain and kept it in jar for 20 years. US Army soldiers drink tea in a cup of 95,000 rupees. The speciality of this cup is that even cold tea becomes hot. There's a parasite that destroys the tongue of fish and then itself replaces the tongue for the rest of the lifespan. This is one of the mysterious fossilized humanoid skull found in Africa in 2010. Lies on human hair under a microscope. % of internet users will quit waiting for a video to load after 10 seconds. The baobab tree can store up to 32,000 gallons of water in its trunk. After making 1.4 billion crayons, the senior crayon maker for Crayola admitted he was colorblind. Science says that each glass of water you drink contains at least one molecule of water that has once passed through the digestive system of a dinosaur. When you blush and your face turns red, so does the inside of your stomach. Donald Trump tried to sue an author for $5 billion for calling him a millionaire instead of a billionaire. Rubbing ice cubes helps in getting rid of dark lips. Thanks for watching.